Mason, you ready?
No.
Mason loves doing this, he told me. Guys, we're both really tired, but you know, sometimes you guys are more important than how we feel. And for a small sacrifice, we can make all you guys happy. So we're gonna go to Walmart and play the claw machine. So are you ready, Mason? There it is, I see one. Come on, Mason, run. Wow. Doesn't it look great, Mason?
It does, dude.
Let's try it.
Let's do. I'll show them how it's done.
You can have a try, but what are you gonna go for?
How do you do the drop one? Do you
No, that's on a different one. You're gonna go for good idea.
You think I'll get that bitch?
Oh, Mason. Mason! Oh my god. Oh, nice!
Yes!
Dude!
Yes! I got one! Yes!
Wow. That was really good. I didn't think you'd get it. Wow. Oh, it's stabbed. Go for this again. Oh my gosh, again? Oh, the frog? I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, whoa.
They got the same thing.
Dude, yeah, I've never seen that before.
What about that sheep?
Oh, come on. Oh, they don't quote. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was horrible. Grab. Doesn't even grab. Let's just go for Doolittle guy. This guy looks kind of cool. Oh. I can get
that
him.
baseball. I should ride that.
Oh. Oh, you know what? Look. Oh man.
You know what? Look at that Elmo. Should I ride it?
He's getting it from the end. Oh, come on, that should have it. Oh my goodness. I've never won one of these guys. Yay. Hip hip hooray for me. Look, I got a doodle jump guy. Hold that. Those are your winnings.
Oh, it's the ninja. See it? That's my grip.
That's disgusting. Oh, you know what? Oh.
What did I tell you?
Oh, nice.
What did I tell you?
You get that, Mason.
That. You're mine.
Hey, let's go to the other side, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, what about that? Yeah, no, let's go to the other side. Which one's the cheapest one? I'll go for 5. No, that was rigged. Whoa! Look! It almost fell through. What was that?
What do you do?
No. Why does it do that? It like moves it. That's weird. Damn, Mason. Back at it again with the sugarloaf claws. That's right, guys. Alright, Mason. It's your time to shine, bud.
Okay.
Do it.
I'll show you my magic. First,
Show me your
in order for
magic.
good luck charms, you have to put the dollar bill in like this. Get in there.
I'm gonna go for this car by the wheels. It's really fat though. It's a fat sub. Oh, you know what? Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Wait.
Damn.
Yes, a NASCAR plush. At it again with the NASCAR plush.
Dude. That's skill, dude.
Took a lot of skill.
What about that pink thing, dude?
Oh my god. I wasn't even recording. I almost got it by the tag, guys. I'm gonna try for that again. Oh, I think I got it. Stay. Oh, nice. I got another one. I'm gonna go for this purple thing back here.
You already have one of them.
I want another one. Another one. Oh man.
Didn't even move him.
Didn't even move him. You know what? Oh. Come on.
He's gonna stay right there, dude. Until
The forehead.
right at the
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah, kind of.
Oh no.
Keep on this.
Too much. Alright.
Oh, what a bummer, man.
Oh yeah. This is good stuff right here, isn't it? Oh.
Oh, that was gay.
It was lesbian.
Look how the claws off.
I know, the claw's big. Let's go for this dog. Oh, you know what? Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
I hate you. Yeah, take this. Air 4. That was a bear pun. Oh my gosh.
That was stupid. It didn't even open up.
Didn't even open up. Come on.
Get that bear.
Yes. Oh, he is mine. Look at this. That should have him.
Oh, dude.
No. It keeps on moving away from it.